cut all our 4-inch pieces first. Work our way down the line. Nice thing about this project is it doesn't require a lot of anything. Most of it's hidden minus 3 visible parts. So there's a lot of no sanding I can get away with. Let's see here. Got my A pieces and my B pieces and my C and the D. Always gotta have the D. I don't even need you. Worthless. So we're gonna go over to the chop saw, get all our pieces to length. Right now I'm just cleaning up one end so I can mark a line and cut the other end. Now, in the truest of true fashions, I can't really say it's one of my projects unless I make a mistake. And I didn't really make a mistake. I just didn't cut a part that I needed because I didn't write it down. And because of that, I overlooked the pieces I had. So I had originally cut these dark ones to be my top and edge visible, but with cutting them all up, I only had 2, and so it was gonna be like this really dark top and then this really light edge running down the side. I didn't particularly want that, so I found a wide enough piece that gave me 3. So I cut my 2 tops and my 1 edge piece. The edges on the outside is what I forgot. So now I have all my pieces. Now it's time to assemble. Start putting this shit together. There's something rather nice about the quick and dirty builds. So all the pieces I need. Consult my drawing. A on a top. I might have missed a number. Now, okay, I think what I need to do is scribe out my little wall section thing because I've got trim behind my couch and I need to do a little so let's go adjust that. That piece I didn't use, I'm actually going to end up using. It's going to be the blocking for the interior little shelf. So I'm going to put bottom piece in to connect the 2 squares together, and then at the top I'm going to put a ring around the perimeter of ply, and then I'm going to do a thin piece of mahogany strip on top of that to give it a closed off look, so I can put another piece of ply on top of it, and that'll make it look solid. Okay, so this is a little box that's going to connect our stuff together. I'm going to put a little strip on the outside so that a little piece of plywood can sit on the inside. So we're going to mill these down. Box. So right now we're just gluing up our little top frame profile so that when we get our other piece that's going to sit in the middle, it will rest on the edge, it'll be the same height, and it can be taken in and out, and then the cordly do things can sit in here. It's time for another annoying episode of Fucking Up on Woodworking. It's just another day and another taste of failure. Well, in appropriate fashion, I went and made a mistake, making my box more shallow than it should be. So to resolve this, I am just going to, because I needed to do it anyways, there's just going to be a hole that runs kind of like a little line so that cables can come through. That needed to happen anyways. It's just going to be a little wider than it was before. That is all.
Is that so nothing can fall back in?
It's so we can have a place to charge our cables and stuff without it being obnoxious in the way, which right now it is. Alright, I need 2 more blocks to go right there. Oh look, it's done! I definitely didn't make any mistakes. I might have missed a number. In the truest of true fashions, I can't really say it's one of my projects unless I make a mistake. it was the right height. I forgot to account for this height right here, this one piece. And cut it off right here. Put it back together. Fuck me. And this box is perfect. It's not too shallow. I went and made a mistake, making my box more shallow than it should be. It's got just a little wax coat on the top. It isn't perfectly scribed, but I don't care. It's functional. Now I get to push it back. I was about to do an entire bit about how you left, said you were gonna help, thought shopping was more important.
What?
It would have been oh, hello! Trying to break our stuff with that shopping rage. Oh, it's only a joke. It's funny. Look at me, I'm butthurt. Purple marble. All right, so that's what it looks like. It is super handy. Put all our remotes here, and the cables are hidden, and you should make one, or get one, or buy one from me, because I'll make you one. I'm already starting out. Got myself all jacked up. I literally just had a face mask